If you're deciding between Google Calendar and Notion Calendar, the right choice depends on how you work. Google Calendar is a classic scheduling tool, fast, reliable, and fully integrated with Gmail and other Google services. You can set recurring events, send invites, sync across devices, and connect it to apps like Zoom and Slack. It's excellent for managing daily meetings and time blocks with minimal setup. Notion Calendar, previously Cron, offers a sleeker, modern interface tailored for professionals who want more customization. It integrates directly with Notion databases. You can connect tasks, deadlines, and projects into your calendar seamlessly. It's ideal if you already have or use Notion as a workspace and want everything in one place. For simplicity and widespread compatibility, go with Google Calendar. For power users who live in Notion and want deeper project time integration, Notion Calendar wins.